Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will be presenting about the application of thermodynamics in rice cooker. Our group consists of 5 people, which is me, Haziq, Batrisha, Kosrina, Damia and Humaira. The first thing that we're going to talk about is the application of thermodynamics in rice cooker. We can relate the rice cooker with the first law of thermodynamics, which is the energy can be converted from one form to another and energy can't be created and destroyed. In this thermodynamic application, it uses isochoric process in which volume is constant and the rice cooker temperature is being constant. The result is there will be no work done at all while the heat transfer is being converted from the power supply until the end. For this application, we can use the equation delta E equals to Q plus W. Delta E is internal energy, Q is heat exchange between system and surrounding, and W is work done on or by the surrounding. We can use this to relate the first law of thermodynamics, which is the electric energy to heat energy, to inner pot and to rice and water. It shows that electric energy can be transferred from rice cooker to rice and be transformed into heat energy.
So now we're gonna talk about what key need will be made in a rice cooker. Rice cooker is a basic necessity that every household need to have. The first one is a cooking pot. Basically, we have a 3 types of cooking pot, which is ceramic, non-stick and stainless steel. All of them have a pros and cons. For the ceramic, the pros is the lightweight and non-toxic cooking surface, but it's very fragile and the coating wear over time. The second one is non-stick pot. The pros of this pot is excellent in non-stick performance and heat quickly, but the con is easily to scratch and the coating may degrade due to the high heat. And the last one is the stainless steel. The pros of using stainless steel pot is ideal for browning and searing, also extremely durable and long lasting, but it's heavier and harder to clean. Let's move to the second key, which is a rice cooker. For the inner component, the removable pot that usually made from the stainless steel. The pot often has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning and has measurement line to guide how much water to add. It also have element of heat, which is it placed at the bottom of a rice cooker. It will deliver the heat required to cook the rice. And the thermal sensor is used to detect the temperature within the rice cooker that help to regulation of cooking process. And for the outer component, usually the body of the rice cooker made of plastic because it can avoid stiffening from electric shock. It also displays the timer to allow us to program desired cooking time. And the last one is the lid. Usually, the lid made of the tempered glass and stainless steel for the durability and visibility. It also helps to prevent the heat from escaping, and it also has a hole to release the excess heat. Now, let's see whose key need to specifically. For the first one is family. They will buy a rice cooker that's suitable to use in a large capacity that can be enough to their family. Other than that, they will find a rice cooker that's more convenient and versatile for different dishes. Next, for the student or people who live alone, they will find a rice cooker can cook a small portion of rice and easy side dish. Also have a small operation, compact and more efficient. And the last one, to the people who busy with their works, they will love to find a rice cooker that can be automatic cooking because they no need to focus on the rice. And they also love to save their money, time and very useful for meal preparation.
How often do people experience this problem and when? First, appliances lifespan. Many kitchen appliances have a typical lifespan of 5 to 10 years. However, in households where rice become their daily food, signs of wear and tear such as malfunctioning heating elements or degraded thermal sensor can appear much sooner. This causes uneven heating, leading to undercooked or burnt rice. Aging components lose their ability to maintain consistent temperature control. The second one is improper maintenance, such as not cleaning the heating plate or rubbing utensils that scratch the non-stick surface can lead to more frequent malfunction such as rice sticking to the bottom of the pot. Neglecting regular cleaning can cause rice to stick because the heat cannot be transferred efficiently. How big this problem for users or customer? First, financial burden for repairs or replacement. Repeated failures in thermal components like heating plate and sensors due to poor heat transfer increases the repair cost. The thermodynamic inefficiency caused by damaged part reduces the appliance's lifespan, leading to costly replacement. Customers may need to replace the pot or buy a new rice cooker if the rice sticking problem affects the rice cooker's operation. The second one is wasting food and time. If the heat transfer or temperature sensing fails, the rice may not reach the correct temperature for complete phase changes for boiling and steaming. This results in rice being undercooked or burned, wasting food and forcing users to repeat the cooking cycle, which consuming more energy and time.
The next one is, what will happen if that need is not met? The first one, we will get the bad reviews. Unhappy customer will share their experience, especially bad review. That might be posted online and even warn others to not buying our product. Deal will damage our reputation and reduce our future sale. The second one is, it will return request or refund. If our product did not function very well, customer may ask for request or return. This not only leads to financial loss, but also at extra cost for processing returns, handling complaints, and also possibility ship. The third one is the competitive disadvantage. If others competitors offer better quality, better customer service, or better features, customer will switch to them. Your market will shrink and also your business will struggling. The next one is customer dissatisfaction. For example, burn rice or take long time to cook. Customer will feel disappointed.
Next, what is our solution? We use non-stick ceramic inner pot to prevent rice from sticking and to ensure even heat distribution. Other than that, we also use smart cooking sensor. The sensors can detect real-time temperature and humidity levels inside the cooker, so it can allow precision in cooking various rice types. Other than that, by using high weightage heating element, heat is delivered faster and more evenly. Paired with optimized software algorithms, the rice cooker calculates the ideal cooking time and heat level. Next is noise and vibration reduction. The use of anti-vibration materials, foam lid locking, and improved insulation to absorb mechanical movement is helping a lot to reduce sound output. And most importantly, it combines thermodynamics, sensor technology, and Eurocentric design.
Next, we are moving to what is our unique approach to meet this need. The first one is, our product is using high quality non-stick inner pot, which is ceramic. This will avoid the problem where rice stick to the bottom of the pot. Besides of that, we also improve the heating plate design to distribute the heat evenly. Second one, we add smart cooking sensors to monitor moisture and the temperature so that the rice is not undercooked or overcooked. Also, our products are involved in cooking programs with different rice of type, so we can improve our accuracy. The third problem is rice takes too long to cook. To avoid this problem, we improve internal software to optimize heating and timing. Also, we upgrade to higher wattage heating elements for faster cooking. Last one, our products are using better materials to reduce vibration or noise. This is because the big problem is noisy operation or leaking system. Also, our products have been improved the sealing of the lid with a silicone ring.
So, these are the technical issues and ways to solve. First, rice sticking to the pot bottom. We can use high-quality non-stick ceramic inner pot to improve heating plate designed for even heat flow, which ensures even thermal spread across the pot. Second, undercooked or overcooked rice. We can add smart sensor to monitor moisture and temperature and adjust cooking accordingly to detect boiling point and evaporation to time cooking properly. For steam and moisture leakage, we can add silicone sealing ring to keep steam and pressure inside. This is because closed system increases pressure and raises boiling temperature for efficient cooking. Next, for noise and vibration during operation, we can use better quality vibration reducing materials to enhance product stability, which is can reduce sound through mass damping and material insulation. And lastly, for slow cooking time, we can improve software optimization and use higher weightage heating elements for faster cooking. This is because more weightage leads to faster cooking.